Carrie here with Classic Cottage Art and Antiques in Bowling Green, Virginia, and fall is a great time to update outdated furniture for the new season. I'm giving you some inspiration here from past pieces that I've painted with Dixie Belle Paint, making ugly pieces like this into something really pretty like this. I used gilding wax and chameleon wax along with some paint on this, and I used chalk mineral paint exclusively from Dixie Belle Paint Company. You can take that same paint and make something that's extremely ugly to begin with, just like this little vanity, into something really pretty just by using a blending technique and some gold gilding wax, and you've got a beautiful piece here. Or you can take something that's kind of plain and doesn't have a purpose anymore. Just by removing the door and painting, you can come up with something like this. Here's a larger piece that was okay like it was, but by adding some paint, you can make it into something a little more modern for today's home. I had a fancy finish to the top, as well as dark wax in the details, and it came out beautifully. Not into something large like that, try something like a coffee table or an end table like this. Beautiful. Take an unusual shaped piece like this, add some paint, and then put decoupage paper in the inset, and you've got a beautiful piece for your home. This piece had a lot of damage to it and needed a whole lot of work, but look how beautiful it turned out with just some paint and some no-pain gel stain. This piece was a shiny laminate piece, and with the right prep, it became a beautiful little side table or desk. Another one of my fancy finishes for the top, it looks like wood now. This piece had a lot of quirks to it as well, but look how pretty it turned out. This one is still available in the shop today. I love how it came out. This trunk was so much fun to do. It was kind of boring and plain, but now look how beautiful it is. This pine bench turned into something pretty like this one. Another example of what you can do with just Dixie Belle chalk mineral paint. This is kind of beginning, and this is how it turned out in the end. I love that. This little table is coming to the shop pretty soon. It was in very bad shape. It was all sticky and yucky on the top, but wait till you see the end result. This one will be available in the shop soon. And another pretty finish on the top, and this is my favorite one that's going to be coming soon also. This poor little Victorian or Art Deco chair vanity bench was really in bad shape, really. But look how it looks now. Some decoupage on the back, and you've got a beautiful vanity bench coming soon to the shop. So you can see lots of things you can do with Dixie Belle chalk mineral paint. Check out my YouTube channel for video tutorials.